Medux is a creative AI toolbox that connects different generation models into one practical workflow. With Codex and MCP, we can now call Medux directly and use the latest Happy Horse 1.1 model to generate video assets from a simple prompt. Now, let's take a look at how a World Cup promo video generated through Medux plus Happy Horse 1.1 turns out. Alright, here's the simple idea. Medux lets Codex use Happy Horse through MCP. So instead of jumping between tools, we can ask Codex to create a video right here. The prompt is straightforward. A promo video for the FIFA World Cup hosted in North America. Codex picks up the request and sends it to Medux, using the Happy Horse model. Now Medux starts a video generation task and returns the task status. At this point, we don't have to babysit it. Codex can keep polling until the render is ready. The key detail is the MCP connection. Codex talks to Medux, and Medux handles Happy Horse. That gives us a clean AI workflow from prompt to video asset. After the wait, Codex checks the Medux task again. Medux reports the job status, the model name, the format, and the request ID. This makes the whole process traceable, which is important for a production workflow. When the generation finishes, Codex gets the final video link directly in the chat. So the user can download the asset, review it, or ask for another version. For teams, this is the nice part. One conversation can trigger a full video pipeline. Medux becomes the bridge, MCP is the protocol, and Happy Horse does the generation.